The King and the Wizard, written by Thiago Eigner. There once lived a good king. He had a golden crown and he had a blue cloak. There also lived a bad wizard. He had a magic wand and he had a blue cloak with golden stars all over it. There once the bad wizard lived in an old house in the city. He had an old broken door knocker. He had an old chair. All that the wizard had was old. The king lived in a big palace. He had a big throne, and it was black and golden. He had also a golden door knocker. He had red and blue tiles on his floor. All that the king had was red, blue, and golden. One dark night, the king slept in his bed. The wizard had a plan to steal the king's crown. The wizard flew over the roofs and flew down the chimney. He tiptoed through the palace, but he couldn't find the crown. The wizard looked in the bedroom and he saw the crown. He tiptoed in the bedroom. In the room the king was sleeping in. He tucked the crown under his arm and tiptoed back out the room. The wizard flew back up the chimney across the roofs and home. The king woke up the next morning and was very and saw that his crown was gone. He was very angry. The king got out of his house and he looked for his crown. He was asking lots of grown-ups, but no one did know where his crown was. He asked the policeman, and the policeman said, "I saw a wizard flying over the roofs with the crown under his arm." The king went to the wizard's house, but the door was locked. Then he thought and he had an idea. Then he opened the window and crawled through the window, stood through the house. Then he looked into the living room. He saw the crown lying on the table. He got the crown and tiptoed out. He climbed out the window and home. He sent his guard to the wizard's house to catch him. Then they got him and put him in the tower for 100 years. The king lived happily ever after.